Hey all, this is Shubhankar here from Quantsap. So today we are going to understand symbol wise built up in Quantsap. So in built up we are getting to see activities made in futures contract in various different instruments, wherein I can pick up my expiry for futures contracts. I'm getting to see what built up has been made on what script, wherein L is indicating a long built up where the prices are going up and the open interest is also going up. LU is indicating a long unwindings move, the prices making a downwards move, also the open interest is unwinding. Short built up is highlighted by S, so it is indicating that the prices are going down, the open interest is increasing. Whereas short coverings, it is highlighted by SC, so which is indicating a short covering move wherein the prices are going up and the open interest is shedding. I'll get to see the market breadth wherein out of total FNOs, how many scripts were on the long side, how many scripts were on the long unwindings phase, how many scripts were on the short side and how many scripts witness a short coverings move. Similarly, I'll get to see the built up made on both of the two indices, which is Nifty and Bank Nifty. So Nifty has witnessed a short built up. I'll get to see the future price. So it's 14,953. I'll get to see total number of open interest in futures contract. So I'll also get to see change in price in percentage format. So today in Nifty, the future price was down by 1.01%. Also, the open interest has increased in Nifty's futures contract by 3.8%. Similarly, if I want to look for any of a script, so I can find it in the below table. Apart from that, if I want to search for any particular script, I can use the search symbol. So talking about TCS, so TCS has witnessed a short built up today. I'll get to see the future price, so which is 3018.45. I'll get to see total number of open interest in futures contract. So today the TCS's price is down by 1.21%. Also the open interest has increased by 1.15% in TCS futures contract. Similarly, if I only want to see scripts which are on the long side, so I can shortlist them as well. So let's say I only want to see scripts which are on the long built up, short coverings or long unwindings. So taking an example of long built up, so all these are the scripts which are filtered by the built up tool where there was a long built up, prices going up, also the open interest increasing. So now further, if I want to shortlist my scripts based upon the sector, so I can simply select whatever sector I want in the sector panel. So I'll select IT, wherein it will only be showing me the IT scripts. So by doing this, I'll get to see how the various different instruments in the IT sector have been witnessing a built up, either a short, long unwinding or a short covering move. So that was it from the built up tool. Thank you for listening me up till here. We post similar sort of content regularly on YouTube. Also, if you want to stay notified, so you can hit the subscribe button and also click on the bell icon to get notified whenever we post any sort of video. Also, you can refer Quantsap to one of your friends, wherein for each and every successful sign up, you earn 100 rupees reward points in your Quantsap account, which can be used in future purchases made in Quantsap. Also, your friend receives 500 rupees reward points in Quantsap, which can also be used in further purchases made in Quantsap. So thank you. See you all in the next video.